Unscrew the 3 screws on the bezel under the steering wheel. Remove the baffle, and when you remove it, you can dial the lever down for easy removal. Remove the power cord from the steering wheel. Use the hook to remove the air conditioner outlet. Note that the plug on the back needs to be pulled out. Also take out the air conditioning outlet on the other side. Unscrew all the screws on the screen panel. Take out the screen panel. Unplug the video cable behind the screen. And pull out all other plugs. Take out the LVDS cable in Carplay, and lead the LVDS cable from the screen to the bottom of the steering wheel. Connect one end of Carplay's LVDS cable to the original car's screen. Then connect the video cable of the original car with the LVDS cable of Carplay. The screen part is partially installed and the screen can be restored. Take out the main line of Carplay and dock it with the power plug of the original car. Connect the other end of the Carplay main line to the console. Connect the Carplay main line and LVDS cable to the box. Once you have attached Carplay's antenna and USB cable to the box, you can place the box here. The Carplay installation is completed, and the original car layout can be restored. Before connecting, the mobile phone is connected to the vehicle's Bluetooth and can play music normally. Then turn on the Bluetooth interface of your phone, search for and connect Carplay Bluetooth. Pay attention to the pop-up message, click Pair, Allow. Click Use Carplay, and you can enjoy wireless CarPlay after the connection is successful.
走的最新的蓝牙音频技术，音质无任何延时。
就算遇见风一片，也一个眼神的触碰。